see the silver van.
Hey guys, you're looking for me? Let's play hide and seek! If you catch me, I go to jail!
He's in one of these. You go in that one and I go in this.
I don't know where he went. He's not in here either. We're gonna have to call the helicopter.
Great idea. Call Deputy Ryan.
Deputy Ryan, get the helicopter!
I'm already in the helicopter. I got it.
He got away. He's wearing an orange shirt.
When you guys went in the tent, he ran.
Okay, let us know if you see him.
10th floor.
What is all this stuff?
Come on, let's go look in these tractors over here. Turn left.
You want me to go left?
Oh, never mind. That's not him. Yes, it is. Wait a minute. It is him. Turn right.
You want me to go right now?
I don't know.
Don't worry, I got it.
4.
449, 1120. 49, 1121, thank you. 10-4. Code 4. 4.
Good work, Kylie. Would you mind taking him to jail?
I'll keep looking for him.
I got him. He's on his way to jail.
This one is Joey, this one is Lily.
And we love them so much.
And I got Doritos.
He has Doritos in his pocket. I don't know where they came. Oh, they're gonna go upside down. No. Lily can't have it. Lily's diabetic. This is Lily and Joey, and we just found out that Lily has diabetes.
Oh,
we have to give her a shot every day.
Taking a haircut.
But we're taking care of her.
Thank you. My turn.
It's mine and Josh's school picture day.
That's right. That's why we're getting haircuts. Let's see Jake's haircut is done.
No.
Let me see it. Wow.
I'm not even done.
It's Josh's turn.
It's mine.
I'm not done. I'm actually
How about
not.
Lily? Lily, you want to shave?
Hey guys, I'm actually not getting a haircut because my hair already looks like really good, right? Comment down below if my hair looks good.
Yes. Let's see. Say bye, guys. Let's see Josh's haircut. Woo!
Get up.
That's
Wow.
fine.
Oh, I like the
Just the
design.
side.
All right, you're done.
Already? Do I look good? I got hair on me. big grown man.
You're done, Jake.
What?
Jake, that's your haircut for your pictures.
No, that looks terrible.